Alright, let's talk about the top 7 crypto exchanges that let you buy crypto with PayPal in 2025. If you're just starting in crypto, you've probably noticed how confusing it can be to actually buy your first coins. Using PayPal makes things a lot smoother and a little less intimidating. First up, Best Wallet. This one stands out for me because it doesn't require KYC, so you can buy crypto with PayPal, skip the paperwork, and jump straight in. Fees are low, usually between 1 and 2.99%, and it has an integrated DEX for swapping cryptos at great rates. Next is MEXC. With over 2,000 coins, it's got the widest selection. You'll use PayPal through peer-to-peer trading, so fees can go up to 4.5%. But if you're into spot trading, this is a solid pick. Bybit is great for futures traders. Again, PayPal is used through P2P, and fees are pretty similar to MEXC. Kraken is a personal favorite for those who want fiat on and off ramps. Fees hover around 2.5% for EUR and GBP deposits via PayPal. If you're hunting for altcoins, check out KuCoin. It supports almost 1,000 coins, and you'll use PayPal through P2P with up to 4.5% in fees. For CFD trading, eToro is the go-to. No PayPal deposit fees, but keep in mind, you're trading contracts, not actual coins. And finally, Coinbase. It's beginner-friendly, supports almost 300 coins, and lets you buy directly with PayPal, but with a steeper 3.99% fee. So whether you want the lowest fees, the most coins, or the easiest first step, there's a PayPal-friendly exchange out there for you. Just remember, always double-check those fees and security before you hit a buy.